the campsite. And we're on our way to the waterfalls, so see you there. Really steep down here. That rock. I think you can. Can you? Oh, jeez. You're gonna try it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you did it. So that's the waterfall right there. My friend is trying to jump it currently. This man's climbed all the way up there. I'm actually gonna go up there and see what I can get. Time to get something to eat. So it's around 5:50, just woke up, not feeling the best, probably running off 2 or 3 hours of sleep.
We can run up.
Yeah, I know. Sorry people. There's something amazing about getting sunrise shots that I don't think people understand. Just the colours that are involved and the softness of those colours that you can bring out and post. So I really hope to bring something out today. I'm going to try and do something with it, the drone at least. The lookout point's just right here. So. Alrighty, fast tracked a couple of hours ahead. We did a little road trip, about 2-hour road trip from the place where we stayed, and we're currently at Ho Falls. So at a slightly better waterfall than the last one we were at, a lot better to be honest. And shortly after that, we're gonna go to the redwoods and see if we can get some cool wide shots. Jackson's already set up right here. He's already got the landscape going, but just look how nice this waterfall is. We are here in Aireys-Inlet. Got the crew with me, got Darcy, got Jackson, and ready to take some photos.
It's a bit windy. It's actually gonna be fucked. It's too windy, isn't it?
No,
Let me just
it's
make sure
all
my
right for
settings
now.
are good. Video, we'll shoot 4K at the start. I have no idea where it is.
I can't fucking get over this fence. Didn't think about this.
Surprise me if you fell off the cliff.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if Jacko fell off as well. I mean, he gets lost just about everywhere, guys, so we found him. It was a little hard to retrieve him. He's safe and sound, thank God he didn't fall off a cliff like we thought. Alrighty, so I'm at a lighthouse just off Aireys-Inlet. Behind me, as you can see, and I think the idea is I want to get a drone shot with the lighthouse in view, but also with maybe some of the coastline over here in shot. So I think I'm going to try that, fly the drone a bit. It is quite windy, I'm not going to lie, but I think I'm just going to go for it and see what we can do as usual.
know it doesn't look like much, but it really fucking hurts. Jimbo thought it'd be a good idea to shove my finger in the propeller.
Oh, Jackson, what are you doing?
No, you're Jimbo, mate. God damn, it's broken. No, like stand.
Alright, we got some good shots at the lighthouse. The car park's actually pretty packed at the moment.
I broke my finger.
But apparently we're not supposed to fly drones there. We're kind of in the wrong boat. I mean, we got some really good shots, so keen to show you guys that.